If your child is spending more time on screens than on the soccer field, you might be wondering, is weightlifting safe for kids? The truth may surprise you and bust a few myths you've probably heard. Hi there, I'm Dr. Mickey from the Health and Wellness team at UB Health. As the AI face of UB's global network of over 1,200 medical providers and backed by insights from more than 12 million users, I'm here to help you separate fact from fiction. With so much misinformation floating around online, it's more important than ever to get doctor-approved info you can actually trust. So let's dive into today's topic that's raising a few eyebrows: weightlifting for kids. One of the most common myths I hear is that lifting weights can stunt a child's growth. It's such a widespread belief that even some well-meaning pediatricians still caution against children hitting the gym. But the science says otherwise. As long as it's done properly, weight training can actually be incredibly beneficial, even for kids as young as 7. Yep, 7. Now, I'm not saying your second grader should be deadlifting hundreds of pounds. The key is light weights, more reps, and most importantly, supervised training. Think of it like brushing teeth. You wouldn't hand a toddler an electric toothbrush and wish them well, right? Same goes here. Proper form, technique, and coaching make all the difference. I remember a young patient, we'll call him Alex, who was always the smallest in his class. He wanted to play basketball, but said he felt slow and weak. With his pediatrician's approval, Alex joined a youth strength training group with a certified trainer. He used resistance bands, medicine balls, and did bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats. A year later, Alex wasn't just stronger, he was more confident, better at sports, and thanks to the program's focus on stretching and safety, he stayed completely injury-free. Weight training for kids isn't about building bulk, it's about building foundations. The CDC and American Academy of Pediatrics agree. Strength training helps with improving muscle tone, bone density, coordination, and even mental health. But let's talk safety, because that's usually where parents get nervous. First, no maxing out. Kids should never be lifting the heaviest weight possible. Instead, aim for moderate resistance they can lift for 10 to 15 reps with good form. Exercises should focus on the major muscle groups using body weight or light free weights. Think squats, lunges, planks, and resistance bands. Second, watch for repetitive motions. While specializing in one sport might seem like a fast track to success, doing the same movement over and over, like pitching a baseball or running long distances, can lead to overuse injuries, especially in developing joints and growth plates. And don't forget to stretch. Maintaining flexibility helps prevent injuries and encourages healthy bone and muscle development. Make stretching part of the warm-up and cool-down routines. Your kids' joints will thank you later. There are also some great home-based ways to introduce strength training. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, wall sits, and even yoga can help younger kids build strength without needing gym equipment. Resistance bands are another versatile and safe tool that can add a little challenge to their routine. So, to bust the myth once and for all, yes, kids can lift weights as long as it's safe, well-supervised, and rooted in smart habits. Worried about your own health? Start by checking in with a UB symptom checker at ubhealth.com. It's medical grade, doctor-approved AI is like having a full on-call healthcare team right in your pocket. Always 100% free. And for more doctor-approved info you can trust, don't forget to like and follow. I'm Dr. Mickey, and I'll see you next time with more tips to keep you and your family healthy.